Okay, how are we, wonderful parents? How is the contest coming on? I hope we're having fun by supporting our kids. Yeah. Okay, so basically, this is just a tutorial video to teach or to tell us how to vote for our kids. To as you can see on the screen, um, this is the website. Okay, so when you get to the website, this is what you're going to see. All right, so now first thing you do is you click on this icon. After doing that, you're going to see the home, about us, contestants, and then since you want to vote for your kids, you're going to click on contestants to find your kid. All right, so now for example, let's say we're looking for Favor. All right, and once you click on contestants like I did, it's going to bring you here. All right, so once you come here, you're going to see the search link. All right, so now it's once you, because we have many favor, like I said, we want to search for favor, we have many favors. So what you do is you just type in the name Favor, the first name. It's going to be a lot more easier that way. All right, and then you click search. Okay, all right, good. So once you click search, all the people, all the children that their names is linking to Favor, or is Favor, is going to come out. Good. Favor Raymond, we have Favor Raymond already. You're going to click Favor Raymond. All right, this. Okay, all right then. So this is basically just telling you to follow us on our Instagram page, all right? But since if you have already followed us on our Instagram page, you're just going to click the cancel button. So now once you get to the vote for Favor Raymond's profile, for those who want to vote for Favor Raymond, okay, now as you can see, this is giving us ample information on the three voting methods we have. As you can see, the pay stack, the direct voting method, which is the direct bank transfer voting method, and the SMS voting method, which has been scrapped. Okay, so basically, first, if you want to do the pay stack, on the pay stack space, this is the tab saying select votes. Now you will pick from 1 to 200, because we just need 200 since this is the first stage of the vote. So now let's say we pick 50 votes. All right, 50 votes, and then you vote via paystack. All right, basically that is how it works. So with this information, you're going to provide the information that it is telling you to provide here. All right, but then if you do not want to vote via paystack, you cancel payments, and then it takes you back to the profile. And then, as bank transfer voting and procedure is, of which advice we parents we do than the pay stack. If the pay stack is very difficult, we could just do the direct transfer method. All right, so as we can see, there are two account details here: Fidelity Bank and UBA, United Bank for Africa. We have the Naira account and the dollar account. The Fidelity is the Naira account, and the UBA is the dollar account for those of us that are out of the country. All right, so for the Fidelity, we within Nigeria, we would use the Fidelity Bank. All right, so what you do basically is just to pick these account details, and then you transfer the money to the account details. All right, after you do that and the transfer has been successful, then you just screenshot the payments, and then once you screenshot the payments, you send it to this WhatsApp link, to any of the WhatsApp link you can see, WhatsApp icon. You can see two WhatsApp icons here. Please send it to any of the WhatsApp icons that you can see here. All right, so you could just come here. It's going to bring you straight to our WhatsApp page. All right, very good, thank you so much. And then you could just send in your proof of payments. Once we receive it, we're definitely going to confirm, and we're going to let you know that your payment is valid, and then we're going to update your child's profile, all right, with the number of votes that you have paid for. All right, please, I hope this video has helped you parents, or has helped us, because we're all in this together. Yeah. All right, so I hope it has helped us with the whole voting process. But please, if you still need help, If you are still confused at any point, please do not hesitate to get to us through our customer care support contacts. All right. Please do have a wonderful day and don't stop voting. Don't forget, we want to support our kids to get to the final stage of the contest. We want our kids to be influencers. We want our kids to carve a niche at this early age. All right. So please, parents, continue to support your kids and do not stop voting for them. So please don't forget, if you need help, don't forget to contact us. Thank you so much and have a good day.